Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of the Messenger app that many users are excited about. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through endless chats, trying to locate that hilarious video your friend sent ages ago, you're in luck. You can now easily view all shared videos in your Messenger chats on a PC with the latest update. Let's get you started with a simple step-by-step guide. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your PC. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted by your familiar chat list. Take a moment to appreciate the sleek interface that makes connecting with friends effortless. Next, find the chat you want to open. This could be a recent conversation or an old one where that funny meme video you can't stop thinking about was shared. Just click on the chat to open the conversation. Once you have the chat open, turn your attention to the right side menu, where you'll notice various options. Click on Media and Files. This section is designed to give you quick access to all the media shared within that specific chat thread. Lastly, select Media from the options you see. Here, all the shared videos, photos, and files will be neatly organized for you to browse. Now you can easily relive those cherished memories, humorous moments, and important clips, all with just a few clicks. And there you have it. Viewing all shared videos on Messenger has never been easier. This new update not only enhances your chatting experience, but also helps you keep track of all the fun content shared between you and your friends. Make sure to try it out and simplify your Messenger experience.